Choose a birthday party you want to visit. Cupcake.
If you want to buy a full version of the game with
Add snacks to empty plates.
Thinking about going solar but not sure if it's worth it for your home? My name is Alex and I have a solar.
It's racing time! Use pedals to move. Win this race!
Are you curious? Me wow, me wow, me wow, me wow!
All new Beyblade X. Ride the accelerator rail and launch into high gear.
It's racing time! Use pedals to move. Win this race!
Awesome! Are you curious? Me wow, me wow, me wow, me wow!
All new Beyblade X. Ride the accelerator rail and launch into high gear.
Choose sweets. Hit piñata. The more you hit, the more sweets you get.
Awesome! Are you curious? Me wow, me wow, me wow, me wow!
All new Beyblade X. Ride the accelerator rail and launch into high gear.
Water patches and trees to grow up fruit. It's harvest time. Move fruit to the basket. Let's make juice. Move fruit to juicer. Great! One more!
Awesome! Are you curious? Me wow, me wow, me wow, me wow!
Thinking about going solar but not sure if it's worth it for your home? My name is Alex and I have a solar system on my
Football. Use buttons to control the character.
Let's go here to hide. OMG, I just stepped on a dirt. He's gonna know where I'm going. Oh no, he's chasing my footprint.
Catch all guests. Tap characters to run for them. Here you are. Here you are. Almost done. Here you are. You've caught everybody.
Awesome! Are you kidding us? Me wow, me wow, me wow, me wow!
Can you do me a Barbie keyboard? I'm Margot's biggest fan. Green? Are you sure?
Choose a cake you want to cook. Add layers and fillings. Put candles. Great! The cake is ready.
Awesome! Are you kidding us? Me wow, me wow, me wow, me wow!
It's time for a cake.
Kittens, the time has come for your present.
Tap candles to blow them. A wonderful party! Happy birthday! Hooray!